Thousands protest in Yemen after US-UK attacks on Iran-backed Houthis. The US and Britain carried out dozens of airstrikes on Houthi military targets overnight, widening a wave of regional conflict unleashed by Israel's war in Gaza. Tens of thousands of Yemenis gathered in several cities on Friday to hear their leaders condemn US and British strikes on their country in response to attacks by Houthi militants on Red Sea shipping. The US and Britain carried out dozens of airstrikes on Houthi military targets overnight, widening a wave of regional conflict unleashed by Israel's war in Gaza. "Your strikes on Yemen are terrorism," said Mohammed Ali al-Houthi, a member of the Houthi Supreme Political Council, referring to the United States. The United States is the devil. The Houthis are one of several groups in the Iran-aligned axis of resistance that have been taking aim at Israeli and US targets since their Palestinian ally, Hamas, killed more than 2,200 people in Israel on October 7th. The groups hold the US, Israel's closest ally, partly responsible for the crisis and the scope of Israel's massive response.